Hi guys, welcome to this short video about this crazy trick which I have found on the Adobe speech enhancement website. This is some kind of a beta version available for everybody to transform an audio track with a lot of noise into a pretty clean audio track. I've done already a video about that. I mean, I was not super happy with the result, but a lot of people really love it. It's used everywhere, and there is some limitation, of course, that we can only use audio tracks. So when we record a video, then we have to extract the audio track, and only then we can upload it and download the enhanced audio track and then use it, maybe combine it with the original video track in a video editor and so on and so on. But there's a possibility how to save one full step here. I've just found it by chance when I wanted to improve the audio track of this video here. You can see here on the right side, yeah, unfortunately it's not super good visible, but you can still see here the Adobe website, and I drag and drop the video, not the MP3, not the audio, but the video here, and what it is doing, it's doing nothing, of course. But what we can do, we can press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then we have copy of that, we rename it to MP3, because usually in an MP4 we have also an MP3 track. So let's see, when we drag and drop this thing here, and you can see it starts working. It really starts working, and it does not only start working, it's also finishing it. So we let it run for a little bit. As usual, it can take up to 10 minutes if it's a longer file. Of course, the disadvantage is because it contains also the video, the upload will be a little bit slower. But if you have fast internet speed, then usually it's absolutely no problem, as you have been able to see in my case. And here we have it. So either I can download it or play it from here. And I mean, I can show you that it's really working. I click on download and it's producing this WAV file. It will be always a WAV file. Even when you upload an MP3, the output will always be a WAV file. Doesn't matter, you can also use WAV files in a video editor. So we double click here and let it play. Hi guys, welcome to the short video. Yeah, as you heard, it is my voice, but of course quite muffled, and yeah, they say enhanced from Adobe. But of course, when you are outside, there's a lot of wind, a lot of traffic noise, then it can be a huge enhancement. When you are working inside, then it's probably not so much recommended. But of course, sometimes we can also use it inside when we have a lot of noise, like from an air condition, and that was definitely the case here. That was my motivation to clean the audio. And so you can see I can drag and drop this downloaded enhanced audio here to my video editor. So I have it here, move it to the left side, and you can see it's exactly the same as the original audio. It's just cleaned from any noise. If you are using this a lot, this can help quite some time. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.